Hi, hello, good evening. Welcome back to live quiz at 7:30 p.m. on Santosha Sir YouTube channel. So today we are conducting and we are playing this quiz, Scholastic Aptitude on science. So last time we tried to, you know, um, telecast live, but we couldn't. So I'll check how many of you remember those questions. Okay, the quiz link is given in the description and as well as in the live chat. Just have to click on that link and type your name and wait for the quiz to start. So 7:35, it's already time. So let's start the show. So I hope you are all ready. Wish you all good luck. Okay. Let's start the show. So first question on your screens now. So how can one check the spoilage of pickles? Read the options and pick the right one. There ends the time. 46 members made their choice out of 57. So we have Harsha on the top, followed by Pavan Teja, Apurva, Vinesh, Tarun. 18 members made their choice correctly. Let's quickly move on to the next one. Question number 2 on your screens now. Which one of the following groups does not include any macronutrients? Iron, calcium, boron, sulfur, copper, zinc, chlorine, boron, zinc, boron, magnesium, or chlorine. There ends the time. 50 members made their choice out of 62. And 14 members answered it correctly. Let's quickly move on to the next one. Question number 3 on your screens now. Chickenpox is caused by There ends the time. 54 answered. And 21 members made their choice correctly. Let's quickly move on to the fourth question. Popping up on your screens now. So sunken, tearless eye, thirst, loss of elasticity in the skin, and sudden weight loss are the symptoms of what? ends the time. 53 picked it up now within the time frame, and 19 members made their choice correctly. Let's move on to the fifth question on your screens. The loudness of sound depends upon what? Time is up. 56 picked it up now. So we have Tarun on the top, followed by Jahnavi Chaudhary, Navya. 30 members made their choice correctly. Moving on to the next one. Question number 6. Water has a high boiling point because its molecules have what? Time is up. 50 members answered. 25 made their choice correctly. Let's move on to the 7th question. Here it comes now. The method of separation of lead sulfate from lead chloride is what? Time is up. 48 I could see answered. 23 made their choice correctly. Let's quickly move on to the next one. Question number 8 on your screens now. What type of colloid is milk? Aerosol, foam, SOL, emulsion. There ends the time. 51 made their choice out of 72 participants. 24 answered correctly. Let's move on to the next one. Question number 9 on your screens now. Muscles present in the tongue are what? There ends the time. 49 answered. And I could see only 11 members answered it correctly. Let's move on to the next one. Question number 10 on your screens now. Type of soil is determined by what? Fifty members made their choice out of 73 participants, and 11 members answered it correctly. Question number 11 on your screens now. Elements present in fossil fuels which cause air pollution or what? Time is up. 51 answered out of 74 participants. 22 picked it up right. Let's quickly move on to the next one. Question number 12 on your screens now. Name a plastid that is responsible for the pollination of flowers. There ends the time. 47 only answered now out of 74 participants, and 22 did it right. Let's quickly move on to the 13th question. Here it comes now. Which fertilizer is not applied to legumes? Time is up. 46 members answered now. 21 made their choice correctly. 14th question. So cholera is caused by Okay, 49 answered, 76 out of, okay. 26 made their choice correctly. 15th question on your screens now. The kinetic energy of the particles of matter and the force of attraction between them are. Okay, there ends the time. 49 answered. 19 answered correctly. 16th question on your screens now. What is tincture iodine? There ends the time now. 50 answered. 21 made their choice correctly. Let's quickly move on to the 17th question on your screens now. 20 grams of sugar is dissolved in 80 grams of water. So concentration in mass percentage of the solution is what? Forty-eight members made their choice out of 79 participants within the time frame, and 17 did it right. Excuse me. Drugs are separated from blood by time is up. 49 answered out of 79 participants. 27 did it right. Quickly moving on to 19th question on your screens now. The nucleus of the protium atom does not contain what? There ends the time. 50 members made their choice and 17 did it right. Let's quickly move on to the 20th question on your screens. Here it comes. Sprain is caused by excessive pulling of what? There ends the time. 50 members made their choice out of 80 participants. 20 members answered it correctly. Quickly moving on to the next one, question number 21. Here it comes now. Smooth muscles are not found in which part of our body? Time is up. 50 members answered out of 81 participants. 9 did it right. 22nd question. Here it comes on your screens now. What is the adaptation of xerophytes to prevent loss of water? Time is up. 50 answered again and 20 did it right. Quickly moving on to the next one, question number 23. Here it comes. The change in linear momentum of the body is called what? Time is up. 51 answered out of 82 participants, and 18 answered correctly. 24th question. On your screens, here it comes. Which of the following is correct? Read the options and pick the right one. There ends the time. 49 made their choice within the time frame, and 15 did it right. 25th question. On your screens now. The most serious threat among the following to the ozone shield in the atmosphere is what? There ends the time. 50 made their choice within the time frame given of 30 seconds. 21 answered it correctly. Let's move on to the next one. Question number 26 on your screens now. So oxide of dash and dash dissolve in rain to give rise to acid rain. There ends the time. 46 only could make their choice within the time frame, and 23 made their choice correctly. 27th question. Here it comes now. Why are mitochondria able to make some of their own protein? The leaderboard scores, I skipped it. 24 did it right. 28th question. On your screens here. Which is or are the part of the defense mechanism of the body? Time is up. 47 answered. 26 made their choice correctly. 29th question. Here it comes now. The loudness of sound is measured in what? Time is up. 50 members made their choice. The leaderboard scores. Let's skip it. 29 made their choice correctly. And the last question, final question of the day, 30th question. Impact of the gas molecules on the walls of the container produce what? So ends the time 48 answered out of 84, the reverse of the number. And 28 members answered it correctly. Let's check the final scores, results of today's quiz. No music. Tarun is on the third position, Jahnavi Chaudhary on second, first Vinesh. Congratulations to the three. And you can just send a WhatsApp message to me, the top three members. At the same time, let's look into the top scores here. Vinesh on the top, followed by Jahnavi Chaudhary, Tarun, Sri Likit, Navya Verma, Shishir Gela, Ruchisnu, Vinay Kumar, Siriping, Parda, Soni, Nikhil, B. Anirudh, Akanksha, Nagayashwant, M. Harsha, M. Pavanteja, Pooja, G. Navin Chandra, Yashu, Sandhya, Lakshmi Devi, Advaita, Sudhir, Manoj, Apurva, Ujjwal and Harsha, Shravan, Ganesh, Sushma and Satvik, Hanuman, B. Bharadwaj, Yashwant, Aditya, Abhiram, G. and Abhiram, Ashrita, Teja, B. Arohi, G. Srilekha, Akshaya, Nityasri, Suraj Bhargav, Prudhvi, Charan Sai, Rohinya, Ravikumar, Jupiter, Manikanta, and Ritika Sri. These are the 47 names that I could see on the front page today. So appreciate the time and effort of each and every participant. And if you would like to know your individual scores, you can write it to me on my WhatsApp number 8897384856.